In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Contact in Logic Pro X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using Contact is a fundamental part of many producers' workflows, especially for those who use high-quality orchestral libraries, virtual instruments, or sound design tools. So the main way is going to be through a single instrument instance, but you can also use Contact through a multi-thimble instance. So the simplest way to use it is to create a software instrument track. So click the plus sign above the track, or go to the options to create a new track, and in here select software instrument. Once you have selected software instrument, make sure that you choose AU instruments, and under native instruments you will find Contact. So you will have it here. So choose any of them from this list. Once it is created, you will see the main Contact panel. You will be loaded into the library right away. So you can filter everything by brand, sound type, character, and various different options. All of the presets will appear here at the right side of the screen. You will see the number of presets displayed, and you can double click on any of these presets to preview and of course load them into the track that you've just created. So when you select any of them, a preview will be played and you will be able to use all the options here alongside the controls. You can always return to the library, so if you want to load a different one, replace this, whatever, choose library right besides file. And in here, after it is loaded, you will be able to control it. I'm not going to go super in depth about all of the tools included with Contact. I simply wanted to showcase how you can open the main library. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.